Alright guys, good day to you. Depending on where you're seeing this video, good night, good morning. Okay, in this video I'll be showing you how to farm the project Terminal. Although it has been ongoing for a long while, but you can still hop in because the use case of the project is kind of big. So let's go. Like always, I'll drop useful links in the description box of this video. Okay, you click game and it will load up. Now after it loads up, you touch this symbol here and it will load up for you. You can see I've played it for a while. I have some points here. Now the condition of this game, remember this is a web3 game. It is a play to earn, so you are playing and you will earn for playing the game, but conditions are attached. One of the conditions is that you must have over 75% win rate. Currently I have 84%. Now this is how the game is played. You can see where they wrote games left. You have 3/3 games left to play per day. That is 3 games per day. So I've not played any today, so I decided to play it and use this video, make a video of it. So this is how it is done. You have to click this button here, play. Once you click it will load up an interface. Now this game is a simple game. It's a game that requires your intellect. Now this is how it is played. Like I said before, it is 3 games per day. Look at it here now. I'm playing my first game, so it is 1/3 now. So this is how it is played. It's a game of words. If you look at them, the words on this screen: bands, brink, start, cloth, mouth, tires, hose, all of them are all 5 letters. You can see the numbers, 5-letter words. Now this is a game where you have to choose words. Now the first word you will choose is just a total guess. You can choose any for the first word. For example, in this game I'm playing now, I'll choose start. Now I've choose start. This is number 1, start. Now this is the trick. The trick now is, these are conditions. This 0/5. This position here for this word, the first word I chose, which is start. This stuff I just cycled here now is the condition for choosing the next word. The next word I will have to choose, it requires that in the arrangement of the 5-letter words, any other word I will choose after this start now, in the arrangement, that is start with S and end with T. Now if I decide to choose bands, I've made a mistake. If I decide to choose bands, I wasn't supposed to touch that word. I just made a mistake. Now it still showed brink. I still have opportunity to correct my error. If I decide to choose bands, now I'm dealing with the second word because whether I like it or not, I've chosen another word, brink. Now if I decide to choose another word, the condition for me choosing that word is that in the positioning of the other words on the screen here, there is bands, mouth, tires, hose, clothes. The arrangement should not match at all with brink. That is brink. Any other word I choose from the screen, from this list of words, any other word I choose from this list of words, their arrangement should not match with brink. For example, brink and bands. I can't choose bands. Why? Because brink starts with B and bands starts with B, so it has 1/5 already. If I choose it, I will fail the game. So I'll have to look for words that don't match in the arrangement with the word brink. For example, mouth doesn't match. Tires doesn't match. Hose doesn't match. And clothes doesn't match. So I have mouth, hose, tires. So I can choose any of these words except bands. I can choose any of the words except bands. So I choose clothes. Now you can see I just earned 101 points because I choose a correct word. So I continue. Now as I pressed continue, I'm playing my second game out of 3. Now the first word is a total guess. These are all 10-letter words. The first word is a total guess. I'll choose arbitrator. Now look at the condition for me choosing the next word. It says I should choose a word that match arbitrator in arrangement with just one arrangement. That is, I will start to compare all the words, all these other words, I will compare them with arbitrator in their arrangement. Then I will choose the one that match arbitrator with just once. That is where A and A match, I'll choose it. So you have to look carefully before choosing. So let me pause and find that word so that this video won't be that long. So like I said, the condition states that I should look for one word that matches with arbitrator in arrangement just once. So the word here that I've seen is leadership. Leadership matches just once. The arrow matches in arrangement. That is, if you place arbitrator and leadership together, if you match them, you will see that they match in just the arrow. So I will choose leadership. You can see it, I earned 164 points. Continue. So this is my 3rd game. So basically this is how to play the game. Every other thing you can do them by yourself. You can complete the Twitter task and the Discord task and earn few points from there. So for this video not to be long, this is how the game is played. You can connect your Ton wallet, connect your EVM maybe later. So once more, thank you for your time. This is how the gameplay of Terminal is. Avoid using this star button, because if you use it you will lose the chances to choose words. You can try to choose words at least 3 times, but once you use this, the chances reduce. Thank you for your time. Thank you for everything.